Welcome to Wakelet.com. Now that we've gone ahead and signed up for our free account using our ECSD email address and password, we're going to log in order to take a closer look at our Wakelet homepage. So again, I've come to Wakelet.com, and along the top menu bar, I'm going to click Log In. And you can choose to log in with either Google or Microsoft. Our ECSD email address works with both. I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google and select my ECSD email address. Here we can see that I've landed in my Wakelet homepage. This is where you will land every time you log into Wakelet. Let's take a closer look at the features on our Wakelet homepage. So I'm going to start here along the left-hand side where I can see my Wakelet profile. I can see that I have added a profile picture to my account, and I can see how many people from the Wakelet community I'm following and how many Wakelet community members are following me. Keep in mind that your followers are only going to be able to see collections that you have chosen to make public. Speaking of collections, I can see that I'm currently on the collections tab. I can see that I have 27 collections, and all of those collections are featured here in the center. And they are organized currently by created, but I could organize them by the updates that I make to my collections or sort them alphabetically. Notice that I can also search my collections for specific content. Notice that in addition to the name of the collection, I can see how many items make up this collection, and I can view their current permission settings. So I can see that this is set to public view, and I can quickly change visibility by clicking on that and selecting from public to unlisted, where only people with the link can see this collection, or to private, only I can see this collection. In addition to my collections, I can also see my bookmarks. Now, bookmarks include all the items that you have ever saved to Wakelet. So if you have the Wakelet Google Chrome extension and you're using that to help save articles or links to websites, all of those bookmarks will appear here. Notice that I can even add a link right inside of bookmarks on my Wakelet homepage by simply clicking the green plus and adding a link to a specific website, article, tweet, YouTube video, Instagram post, and so much more. I can search through my bookmarks for specific resources and even turn on filters to help with my search. I can also change the layout of my bookmarks. And if I hover over a specific bookmark, notice that I have even more options. I can select the bookmark, add the bookmark directly to one of my collections, share the bookmark externally, or even edit the bookmark or delete the bookmark from my bookmarks list. Notice below bookmarks, I can also view my group collections. This section shows me the collections that I've been added to as a contributor only. I would first have to accept the invitation to be a contributor on someone's collection. Now this could be done via an email confirmation, or I could click Join Collection here and enter the contributor code that my collaborator has provided for me. We will talk more about group collections and Wakelet collaborations in a future video. In addition to being able to navigate back to your collections by simply clicking on the link on the left-hand side, you can always click on Home along the top menu bar. Next to Home, you will also see your profile picture. If you click on your profile picture, you'll be redirected to your public profile page. We'll talk more about editing your public profile page in our next video. Let's go back to Home. One more feature to highlight is the search feature. Possibly one of the best things about Wakelet is that the Wakelet community is made up of fabulous educators just like yourself who are all curating and creating content in Wakelet. Many of these Wakelet community members have made their collections public. So if you enter a search term here, for example, we could search for Google Jamboard, and we can see all of the public collections that have been created by educators just like you. We can view a public collection by simply clicking on it, and we can scroll through, and if we think that the collection has a lot to support us, we can do two things. We can choose to follow the creator, and we can save this collection, which saves it to our bookmarks. We can also click the Explore button in order to explore top picks by the Wakelet community. And again, these are all public collections that we can view. And again, we can choose to follow the creator and save the collection, or even share the collection, or embed it or export it as a PDF. And again, anytime you want to return to your Wakelet homepage, just simply click Home in the top menu bar.